Hello everyone, welcome to the yarn bowl. Today we'll see how to crochet this elegant doily. Meanwhile, if you're new to this channel, please do not forget to hit the subscribe button and click on the bell icon as well so that you get notified whenever I post a new video. So for this project, I've taken a red heart mercerized cotton yarn and 1mm crochet hook. First I'm doing a magic ring and I will work 6 single crochet in the magic ring and slip stitch onto the first single crochet and close the magic ring. This will be our round 1. So we're going to work 6 single crochet around the magic ring and slip stitch onto the first single crochet. So for the round 2, I will work chain 3, chain 1 extra, and then I will work 1 double crochet on the same stitch. So this chain 3 we are considering as first double crochet, and then after you do the double crochet, work 1 chain. So on each single crochet of the previous round we work double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, and then chain 1. So we will have 6 double crochet, chain 1 double crochets and 6 chain 1 spaces. So once you are done, after the last chain 1, slip stitch onto the top of the starting chain 3. So this is round 2. So once you're done with round 2, just secure your magic ring by doing a knot in the center. We'll start with round 3. For round 3, I'm doing a chain. Before you proceed with round 3, do a slip stitch to the chain 1 space so that you start from the chain 1 space. You work chain 3, 2 double crochets on the chain 1 space and work 1 picot. A picot is nothing but do a chain 3 and then do a slip stitch onto the first chain. This is called as picot. So on each chain 1 space of the previous round we work 3 double crochets and Once you're done with 3 double crochet, we work 1 picot stitch in between. So this is what we are going to do throughout this round. So in the last instead of last picot, we work chain 2 and single crochet to the starting chain 3. So this is our round 3. So round 3 is now complete. We can start proceeding with round 4. From the top of the first picot, we work chain 3 and then chain 4. This chain 3 is considered as a double crochet, and this chain 4 is the in between space between each double crochets. So on top of each picot, we are going to work 1 double crochet and chain 4. So we are working double crochet on each top of each picot of the previous round with chain 4 spaces in between. And once you're done with last chain 4 space, slip stitch onto the top of first starting picot stitch. So round 4 is done. We can proceed with round 5. For round 5, we are going to work double crochet 3 together and then chain 3, double crochet 3 together. So for the first stitch, we are going to work chain 3 and 2 double crochet together, chain 3 and then 3 double crochet together. So I've done my first double crochet 3 together and then work chain 3. I'll explain what is double crochet 3 together now. So what I'm going to do is yarn over, insert the hook into the stitch, pull through the loop, yarn over, pull through only 2 loops, yarn over, insert the hook through the loop, pull through the yarn, yarn over, pull through only 2 loops, yarn over, insert the hook through the loop, pull the yarn over, pull through only 2 loops. We are doing this 3 times, then yarn over, pull through all the loops. So this is double crochet 3 together, work chain 3 again and then work double crochet 3 together, chain 3, double crochet 3 together on top of next double crochet. So on each double crochet of the previous round, we work double crochet 3 together, chain 3, double crochet 3 together and then chain 3 space in between. So this we are going to do throughout this round. And then Instead of working the last chain 3, we are going to work chain 1 and then double crochet, so that our hook will be on the middle of the chain 3 space for us to work round 6. So I'm almost going to complete my round 5. Before I proceed with round 6, I'm just pausing just to show you how I work this last space differently. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a chain 1 and then we'll work 1 double crochet on top of the starting chain 3. Why we are doing this? Because our loop will be already in the middle of the chain 3 space for us to proceed with round 6. For round 6 we are going to work 1 picot stitch. I told you already what is the picot stitch. It's nothing but we work chain 3 and do a slip stitch on top of the starting chain, and then I work 2 single crochets on the chain 3 space of the previous round, and then move to the next chain 3 space, work 2 single crochet, 1 picot stitch and 2 single crochet on the chain 3 space. So on each chain 3 space we are going to work 2 single crochet, 1 picot stitch, 2 single crochets, and then in the last chain 3 space we just did 1 picot, 2 single crochet, so we will work 2 more single crochets and then slip stitch on top of the starting picot stitch. So this will be our round 6. Can proceed with round 7. I am proceeding to the middle of the picot, working a slip stitch, and then I work chain 6, single crochet on top of next picot stitch, chain 6, single crochet on the next top of next picot stitch. So we are going to work chain 6, single crochet around. So we pause before we finish our last chain 6. Instead I am going to work chain 4 and a double crochet, so that our hook will be already in the middle of the chain 6 space to proceed with the next round. So complete working chain 6, single crochet around. made it like this round. So for the last chain 6 space, I'm working chain 4 and a double crochet, so that our crochet hook is already in the middle of our chain 6 space for us to proceed with the next round. So round 7 is now complete. So we can proceed with round 8. So round 8, round 9, round 10 all are same. So I'm not going to give a voiceover for each of them separately. I'll just explain what is round 8. So for round 8 we work 1 picot stitch, chain 3, slip stitch onto the first stitch, and then chain 6, work 1 picot single crochet on the middle of each chain 6 space, and then chain 6 in between. So we work 1 picot single crochet on each chain 6 space of the previous round with a chain 6 space in between. So instead of the last chain 6 space, we work chain 4 double crochet as usual, and then we proceed with the round 9 and round 10. Round 10 is complete. So for the round 10, for the last chain 6 space, we work as usual. We don't do a chain 4 double crochet, we do a chain 6 slip stitch. Now cut off the excess yarn, secure your yarn. Our lace crochet doily is ready. Please try this at home. Please do not forget to subscribe to the yarn bowl and click on the bell icon. Thanks for watching. Bye.